Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Balconsore and you're now tuning in into my video blog entitled The 5 Worst Computer Viruses. Okay, let's get started. Number 1 on the list is Melissa. So, what is this Melissa? It is a macro virus named after a Miami sweeper. It was so effective in 1999 that the tidal wave of email traffic it generated caused the likes of Intel and Microsoft to shut down their email servers. The virus contained a Word document labeled list.doc as an attachment to an email, allowing access to porn sites. The email was first distributed to a Usenet group but quickly got out of hand. When a user opened the email, a message, the infected Word attachment, was sent to the first 50 names in the user's address book. The scheme was particularly successful because the email bore the name of someone the recipient knew and referenced a document they had allegedly requested. Okay, number 2, the Anna Kournikova virus. This computer virus was attributed to a Dutch programmer, Jan de Wit, on February 11, 2001. The virus was designed to trick a recipient into opening a message by suggesting that it contained a picture of lovely Anna Kournikova. Instead, the recipient triggered a malicious program. This was another virus that exploited a user's Microsoft Outlook mail contacts. The email subject read, "Hi, check this," with what appeared to be a picture file labeled Anna Kournikova JPG.bbs. Clearly, the attachment was not a JPG. It was a good bit of social engineering and was effective transmission mechanism. Number 3, MyDoom. MyDoom began appearing in inboxes in 2004 and soon became the fastest spreading worm ever to hit the web, exceeding previous records set by the So Big Worm and I Love You. A side note, though I knew people affected by So Big and Love You, I did not see either of these in the wild. The reason that MyDoom was effective was that the recipient will receive an email warning of delivery failure, a message we have all seen at one time or another. The message prompted the recipient to investigate, thus triggering the worm. Once the attached file was executed, the worm would send itself to email addresses found in the local address book and also put a copy in a shared folder like CLES. MyDoom could spoof email but also had ability to generate traffic through web searches, which placed a significant load on search engines like Yahoo and Google. Lastly, MyDoom contained the text, "Andy, I'm just doing my job. Nothing personal, sorry," which led to believe that the virus was constructed for a spammer, though it was not confirmed. Number 4, Zasor and Netsky. Easily one of the most famous and prolific variants of computer worms. Famous for effectiveness and the fact that it was authored by an 18-year-old German, Sven Just-Chan, who confessed to having written this and other worms. Netsky stick in my mind because it was the first time that the virus insulted other virus authors. Here the authors of both the Bagel and MyDoom worm families were these, and in some cases Netsky included code that removed versions of the competing viruses. Number 5, 2007 Stormworm. Known by many names, the Stormworm is a backdoor Trojan that affects Microsoft-based computers. Here, again, we see distribution of payload through email with the subject reading 230 dead as storm batters Europe. The Stormworm was a Trojan horse that would join the infected computer to a botnet, a network of remotely controllable computers. Though it was thought to be a botnet of millions of computers, the exact numbers were never known. Okay, that's it. You can follow my blog, balconsort.wordpress, my Facebook, andrebal.consort@facebook.com. And you can always email me at andreconsort60@gmail.com. All the links are in the description below. Any comments? And that's it. I hope you have fun and learned something today about my blog. See ya!
Woo! Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Hey.